Rainy seasons can bring a refreshing change and a much-needed relief from the summer heat, but they can be a real headache sometimes. Traffic jams, floods, cars stuck in water, unnecessary crowding, and congestion everywhere. It's all a part of the monsoon madness. We often carry umbrellas to protect ourselves from rains, but have you thought about the protection of your outdoor HVAC&R equipment? It's important to consider this, as rains can cause significant damage to your HVAC&R units. From rusting and corrosion, breakage of parts to electrical failures, the relentless downpours can lead to costly repairs, reduced lifespan, and permanent damages in extreme cases. But don't worry, at trumaxx, we conduct rigorous tests to ensure that our fans withstand the harshest of conditions and avoid frequent replacements of costly units. Our Axial fans undergo rigorous cyclic corrosion testing to simulate real-world conditions, ensuring they remain rust-free and reliable even under the most demanding circumstances. We also do the IP water testing, which tests the fan's resistance to water ingress. The fan is subjected to controlled water exposure, evaluating its ability to safeguard internal components. It doesn't stop here. We also use high-quality metals, which are powder-coated, making the fans less prone to oxidation and rusting. We're here to keep you comfortable, no matter the weather. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated